Hi guys, welcome to my channel. uh Today I'm gonna take this instrument panel, instrument cluster, little piece of plastic cover here because it's scratched really bad and it's really dirty. I'm gonna take it out and clean it, but in order to take it out, you need to open this whole panel right here. And if you never opened this thing before, let me show you what it looked like. So basically it's all clip, okay, all clip. As you can see, a lot of clip, all clip around it. And the tricky thing is, yeah, you need to take this piece right here out, and this is basically it's clip too. So let me show you where that piece is gonna go to. So that piece connect to one of the top cover right here, as you can see, right here, right here. If you can see, let me turn on the light for you. See that? Connect to those hole right there. So you can unclip that too. So let me go ahead and take out the plastic cover. This piece of plastic right here. So basically it's all around it. It's basically just another kind of clip that you press it down and then you unhook it. So press it down, unhook it, all go around. And let me try to unhook it, and then I'll show you how to clean it. But if you never take out the piece, this top piece before, that's how you do it. Basically it's all clip, all clip. So there's no screw, just clip all around it, all the way to this side. As you can see, it's all clip. So if you want to take it out, I'm afraid to do it. Okay, so let me show you the top piece right here, the one that we're gonna go and clean. See, all clip. So all you do is you just press this down to remove it. Press it down from the back to remove it. So I'm not sure you can see by the glare, but this thing is really scratch up. Not sure if you can see it, but it's really scratch up. You could, if you have it in your car, and if you're driving in the sun, and you got the sun glared at you, you will see a lot of scratch right here. And I will go ahead and set it up and try to clean this up. I'm not trying to clean it. I'm trying to use. Let me show you later. So I got this product called PlastX, basically to polish all the scratch for plastic. So I never tried this before. I saw it online. They have some good reviews, so I'll go ahead and give it a try and see if I can get all this scratch off from the cover itself. So a little pad, foam pad, and I'll just put a little bit on it and try it and see if it works or not. Hopefully it works, but we will see. So we'll see. Keep trying to scrub. Like I said, it's pretty hard to see it. I need to clean up first and see if it's actually work or not. But let me do a little bit more scrubbing before I clean up, and then we'll check it out if it's work or not. Hopefully it will work. Because all those scratches is really annoying when you're in the sunlight. Alright, that's a lot of scratch. I mean, a lot of scrub. And I'm not sure if this... Come on, let me get the clean one. I'm trying to clean off. And see how it is. So, based on the reflection that I saw on the sunlight that I can see with my own eye, rather than you guys see it on camera, you cannot see it on camera. It does remove about maybe 60% of the scratch, but not all of them. Maybe I'm not trying hard enough, but if I try and maybe polish it about maybe 20 more minutes, it should remove like maybe 90% of the scratch on it. So this thing does work, but if you have a lot of deep scratch, don't expect it to work magically. So if you have a little scratch and you want to clean it, go ahead and get that product. It's pretty good. If you have really deep scratch, then I would just recommend buying a new one, a new cover. A new cover costs at a dealer about $30, and this polished PlastX polish is cost about $7. So it's up to you. So like I said, if you never removed that before, that's how you do it. It look hard, but it's not really that hard. So I'll go ahead and close this video for now, and hopefully that's helped you guys if you guys need to remove that instrument cluster plastic cover to clean it. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.